Cecilia Aguiar-Curry is synonymous with power at the state capitol. She wields a lot of influence as the Assembly Majority Leader. But after nearly 10 years in Sacramento, she has not forgotten who she is and where she comes from. Aguiar-Curry grew up in western Yolo County, where she was surrounded by agriculture. Growing up, she cut apricots in the packing shed and worked with her father in the area's walnut orchards. After starting her career in the Bay Area, Aguiar-Curry returned to her hometown of Winters, where she grew to become an active community leader. First serving as a planning commissioner, then she was elected to the city council. Aguiar-Curry made local history when she became the first woman mayor of Winters. As mayor, she worked to improve the schools and secured computers for every sixth grader in the city. She also built senior housing and brought broadband internet to rural communities. Under her leadership, Winters became an agricultural and food innovation hub for the region. Determined to advocate for rural communities at the state level, Aguiar-Curry was elected to represent the 4th District of the California State Assembly in 2016. She soon became a trusted ally for local governments while serving as chair of the Assembly Local Government Committee from 2017 to 2023. For years, she led the fight to reduce barriers for cities to secure the necessary funding to pay for essential city services. In 2024, her efforts led to Prop 5, which reduced the voting threshold necessary to approve local bonds and taxes for affordable housing and other public infrastructure. Along the way, Aguiar-Curry has focused on making sure other women get the support they need in politics and in life. This year, she became the chair of the California Legislative Women's Caucus, the same year that a record 58 women are serving in the state's 120 seats. Whether it's fighting to make childcare more accessible or championing bills to protect the victims of domestic violence and sexual harassment, Aguiar-Curry is dedicated to improving the well-being of women, children, and families. When she's not at the Capitol, she runs an 80-acre walnut orchard with her brothers and enjoys spending time with her family. But her fight for democracy and the rights of all people is far from finished. Her unwavering commitment to her city, her state, and the people of California continues to drive her leadership.